Wash and pat dry about 5 pork chops. Add 2 cans of Coke to your bowl. We're going to add about 1 cup of apple crown. That's about 1 cup. A little bit more. I'll put it all in there. We're going to add about 1/4 cup of Worcestershire Sauce. About 1/4 cup of liquid smoke. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. About a teaspoon of black pepper. About 1 tablespoon of salt. You can use a little less if you want. Well, that was about 1 teaspoon. Add in about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Stir your mixture together. This is my first time making this. I just thought it would taste good, so we're gonna see. I'll let my husband be the judge of it. All right, we stirred. Now we're gonna put our pork chops inside and let them marinate for about an hour. This mixture has a good flavor, but it needed some more salt, so I added in about 1.5 teaspoons of Lowry seasoning salt. All right, make sure your pork chops are fully immersed in the marinade and cover it up and put it in the refrigerator. All right, time to put our pork chops in a baking pan. I have a large baking dish. I'm going to spray it down with some Pam spray, and I'm going to place my 5 pork chops in the pan. All right, I placed the pork chops in the pan. And just because I love seasoning, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of seasoning salt on top. And garlic powder. Okay, I added just a little bit more seasoning. Now, I preheated my oven to 350, and I'm going to put my pork chops in there for initially about 40 minutes. And then I'm going to turn it to broil and make up a sauce and put the sauce on it. Pork chops are in the oven. Okay, I took about 2 cups of that marinade that I had, and I put about 1 cup of Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, or you can use any kind of barbecue sauce you want. I'm gonna mix this all together. I'm not using the right spoon. I'm gonna mix that together, let it come to a boil, and then let it simmer and cook while my pork chops are cooking. Okay, our sauce is boiling. I'm going to stir it, and then I'm going to turn the fire down. It smells really good. As you can see, the sauce is cooking down and it's getting a little thick, just the way I want it. And once 35 more minutes is up, we're gonna pour this glaze all over the pork chops and put it back in the oven on broil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I took 2 slices of Applewood smoked bacon and I diced it up. I'm going to cook that, and I'm going to add that over here to my sauce. That's just going to give it some more good flavor. I love apple smoky flavor. And mix with that apple crown. Okay. Okay, our bacon is ready. We're going to add it to our sauce mixture. We added the bacon into our sauce mixture. Oh my God, it's smelling good. And I took a little taste, and it tastes really good. Checking on the pork chops. They're doing okay, and it's smelling good. Okay, the pork chops are ready. I'm going to baste them and turn them on broil so it can caramelize, so the sauce can caramelize on it. The first side is basted. About to flip it over and baste the other side. All right, the pork chops are ready.